Greetings all and Happy New Year. I'm Josh Caparella, Principal and Vice President of Engineering here at Precis Engineering. As we transition from what was one of the most challenging years in recent memory, we thought it would be a good idea to recap some of the significant events of 2020 as we look towards 2021 with optimism. The start of 2020 marked 15 years in business for Precis, a very proud milestone for us. As you may know, Precis was founded in 2005 with just 2 employees and a vision of principal-led project leadership, technical expertise, excellent service, and a trusted and respected team of employees. Today, our team has grown to nearly 100 employees across 3 offices in 3 cities with plans for continued expansion. In February of last year, the Precis family lost one of its dearest members. Sam Colucci, a senior managing principal at the firm, passed away after a courageous battle against cancer. His friendship, leadership, and guidance will be forever missed by the many colleagues, clients, and teammates whose lives he touched during his time at Precis. Of course, in March of 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic created a public health catastrophe that hadn't been seen in 100 years. We are deeply saddened by the loss and hardships endured by all who have been affected by this novel virus. As engineers serving the life science industry, maintaining our mission was never clearer and more pertinent. We are so proud of our team as we continued moving forward in lockstep with our customers. The Precis team provided innovative engineering solutions that not only helped our customers bring COVID-19 treatment safely to market in record time, but also maintain manufacturing supply operations for other drugs critical to public health during this time. We've also consulted with many businesses regarding changes and upgrades to their building HVAC systems to mitigate the ongoing and future threats of airborne virus spread. Amidst the healthcare crisis, the pandemic also forced a shutdown of all in-person activities for virtually every business, bringing the economy at large to an immediate halt. Precis was forced to transition all operations to remote platforms. We accomplished this tactical move through a lot of elbow grease from our IT staff and quick adaptation of our entire team. However, our main concern was how to maintain our culture, that secret sauce of Precis, while we're not able to come together on a regular basis. After the mandated shutdowns ended, we took steps to keep our offices open safely, albeit in reduced capacity, to give our employees the option to work in person or remotely as they chose. We feel passionately that there is no substitute for in-person interaction. Keeping our in-person environment safe and in compliance with all government and CDC guidelines was and still is a major accomplishment for us. We continued our mentorship and coaching programs, and we increased formal communication between all levels of staff. We worked hard to maintain our cultural edge as much as possible in the remote working scenario. In recognition of our entire team's effort to remain an employer of choice, Precis was named the 2020 Best Place to Work by the Philadelphia Business Journal. This was one of our crowning achievements last year. As our team members are our greatest asset, Precis strives to create an environment that allows for everyone to achieve both personal and professional success. Despite the headwinds of 2020, Precis continued to grow. New staff members joined us across all disciplines. Key additions brought depth of expertise to our quickly growing process and automation teams. Our North Carolina office moved into a larger facility to accommodate current and projected growth, and we expanded our reach to the West Coast. As a result of our continuous growth, Precis also earned a spot on Philadelphia Business Journal's 2020 Soaring 76 list, an accolade given in recognition of the fastest growing companies in the Philadelphia region. Out of the many applicants, Precis is one of only 2 engineering companies included on that list. As we look to the future, we are optimistic that 2021 will bring the return to some semblance of normalcy. The entire Precis team has achieved under difficult conditions, and we are stronger having weathered the storm. We will continue to serve our customers' needs with passion and vigor. We are making continual improvements to our business and are excited to share those with you in the coming months. We're not out of the woods just yet. The pandemic is far from over. We have social injustice, we have civil unrest, but the journey of healing begins when we take the first step. Precis is well positioned and ready to move forward. To good things to come, Happy New Year.